Hi, Lance here with another Toy Museum video. So this time I'm focusing on set 60107 Fire Ladder Truck. The year it was released was 2016 and it has 202 parts to it. So you get two figurines. One is the guy and his nice print on his outfit, and he has just the one expression, and none on the back. And then you also get a lady with this similar outfit, not quite the same but similar, and no expression on the back, but once again very detailed in the print. And you also get this little bit where you get fire on top of the octane oil can, and it can be knocked off when you're using the stud shooter that's on the fire engine. So the fire engine itself is quite cool. So I'll just adjust the angle so you can see how high the ladder goes. So it can go quite high. So quite high up. And if you wanted to, you could actually buy more of these ladders and add them on. So there's no limit to how many ladders you could have on it, and you could actually extend it even more. But it only comes with the two parts to the ladder, and it just slides back in there quite nicely. So it's quite cool how you can make it bigger if you want to, or just keep it the size it is. And on this side you have your shovel. On this side you got your walkie-talkie. And here's your stud shooter, and you can extend the hose with this wee hose reel, and then you also have just in here a wee black axe and a grey concrete cutter and a wee fire extinguisher. And for the stud shooter, the wee 1x1 studs are just in here, nicely hidden away, so you can get them out, use them, put them back there when you're finished. But it's quite a nice wee fire engine, and it would work really well with other sets, other fire engines, other firefighting vehicles that you can get. Even if you've got a fire station, it will work well with that. And I really enjoyed building it. Very easy to follow the instructions, which these are the instructions for it, which was just the one book, but very easy to follow. Very much enjoyed making it. I would recommend this set for anyone if they wanted it to make up and use it with the city. Works very well with the city, and be able to fight fires and keep all the Lego mini figurines safe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment if you can, and when we see you next, I hope you enjoy your time here. Thank you. Bye.